how to set Read Caller Names Aloud to always or over Bluetooth in headphones only on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the phone application. Then tap on the More button. From the pop-up, tap on Settings. Now in the call settings page, we go down and tap on Answering and Ending calls. At the top here, tap on Read Caller Names Aloud. Tap on the left hand side panel. Then make sure you switch the toggle button to turn it on. After that, you can select Always or Over Bluetooth in headphones only. If you select Over Bluetooth in headphones only, then when you receive an incoming call, it will not read the caller names aloud. And here, if I switch it on and select Always, when I receive an incoming call, it will read aloud over my speakerphone.
Incoming call.
And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.